get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
My business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
Okay, y'all, it is officially December 1st, which means it is officially the start of the countdown of MARCEMBER. This year I'm looking a little rough, but hopefully I still am able to get y'all a video every day up until my birthday. For today, today is actually December 1st, so this to go to show how late I am in starting this. But look at my hair, y'all. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. It look a little ragged, but I like it. Today I need to put up my Christmas tree. I think I'm gonna get some Christmas lights. Maybe get some matching pajamas and stuff like that, but we'll see. Oh no, I'm just excited. The year is almost over and I have really great, I don't know, I have a really great feeling about next year, which I feel like everybody always says, but I don't know, I just feel it. That being said, I also have really had a deep self-talk with myself, and I am going to take my content very seriously from this day forward. Well, I kind of already been starting, but from this day forward, I expect to be in a whole different situation, position, space as a whole. Like, I just expect so much more for myself moving forward, and I'm excited. And I'm not even gonna say I hope I stick to it. I'm going to stick to it, and I just can't wait to see the results in the future. As for today, well, as for right now, I'm getting ready to make some breakfast. I'm gonna just do some cinnamon rolls, some eggs and bacon. Nothing too crazy. And then I have some orange juice in the fridge, but yeah.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can
Happy music.
Well, that basically wraps up today's video. I was able to get some stuff put up. Ignore that over there. I have no words. And here is the Christmas tree. I think I'm gonna just end tonight right here. I'm about to get me some pizza because, you know, something about going grocery shopping just means you don't have to cook. So I'm not gonna cook tonight, even though I was planning to. I'm gonna get some pizza, watch me a good movie, and edit this video so y'all can see it. It is currently 6:44. Let's see how long it takes me to do this. I will catch y'all in the next one tomorrow. Bye.